Hello, P3 students! Welcome again to our English class with Miss Ida, and we are now on Unit 4, Lesson 5, Animal Camouflage. Please get your learner's book and open it on pages 56 to 59. And don't forget to get your notebook and your pen as we will be answering some of the activities as we go along. So are you ready? Let's get started! Our lesson objectives are the following. For listening, contrast pronunciation. Reading, read about animal camouflage. Speaking, speak about animal camouflage. Speak about a poem, recite a poem. For critical thinking, comparing and contrasting, establishing relationships. For language focus, we will learn about American versus British English. For our vocabulary, we have the following words: pinto, blotch, camouflage, hide, pattern, bark, meal, antennae, blend, hand, fur, stripes, creep. Take your time to check their meanings and write your answers in your English notebook. For our warm-up activity, try to remember the animals that live in the desert. What color are they? What color is the land around them? What about the animals that live in the jungle or in places where there is a lot of snow? What differences do they have? For activity 1, talk about it. Look at the painting. Is it easy to see the animals? Why not? Write down your answer, children. For activity 2, we will be reading about short passages of hidden animals. The first is the painting by Pev Doolittle is called Pintos. A pinto is a name for a horse with a special coloring, a white with brown spots or blotches. How many pinto horses can you find hidden or camouflaged in the setting of brown rocks and white snow? Animals use camouflage to hide and stay safe. Camouflage means that the colors and patterns on an animal's body are the same as the colors and patterns of the place where the animal is hiding. If the camouflage animal does not move, it is hard for other animals to see it. Questions from the poem. From the painting, how many pinto horses can you find hidden or camouflaged in the setting of brown rocks and white snow? What animals are hiding in these photos? Some animals change the color of their fur in winter. Why do you think they do that? Write down your answers, children. Don't eat me. What animals are hiding in these photos? Camouflage is a good way for a small animal to hide from the larger animals that want to eat it. Birds like to eat bugs, butterflies, frogs, and snakes. Snakes like to eat mice, frogs, and birds' eggs. A yellow flower is a good place for a yellow butterfly to hide. Can you see the butterfly, children? The stick insect is good at camouflage. Its body is the color of bark, brown and green. Its long body, legs, and antennae blend in perfectly with tiny branches and leaves. Looking for a meal. Animals which eat other animals also use camouflage. A tiger is the largest wild cat in the world. It has orange fur and black stripes. When a tiger creeps silently through tall grass, it is very hard to see. The tiger stripes are good camouflage. They blend in with the tall grass. When the tiger sees a deer or other tasty animal, it jumps out of the grass and catches its meal by surprise. Changing colors. Some animals change the color of their fur in winter. Why do you think they do that? During the warm month, an Arctic fox has brown fur. Its brown color matches the brown soil and grasses of the Arctic land where the fox lives. In winter, the Arctic land is covered with snow. When the cold weather begins, the Arctic fox grows a coat of white fur. This camouflage helps the Arctic fox hide from hungry bears and wolves. For word study, find the blue words in the story and read the sentences aloud. Look at the words and match them to the correct definition. We will check your answers tomorrow, children, during our Zoom meeting. And for activity 4, writing, write the answers to these questions. How do animals use camouflage? Where is a good place for a yellow butterfly to hide? What animals eats butterflies? Is a stick insect good at camouflage? Explain how. Why does a tiger need camouflage? What color is an Arctic fox in summer and in winter? Take your time to answer these questions, children. And for activity 5, pronunciation. Words with the letter AR are said differently by speakers of British and American English. Try to check the audio online and repeat. This will be your homework, children. And for number 6, activity 6, read and listen to a poem. The title is Grayish Greenish. Are you ready? Grayish, greenish, blackish tree. The colors you see are the colors of me. Grayish, greenish, blackish bark. I'm bumpy and blunchy, part light and part dark. Grayish, greenish, what do I hear? A sound in the branches that's coming too near. Grayish, greenish, blackish, yikes. What if he saw me? What if he strikes? Grayish, greenish, what do I feel? Oh no, he has found me. I'll soon be his. And here are some questions about the poem. Who is speaking in the poem? Who is me? In the colors you see are the colors of me. Can you find something in your home that is grayish greenish, greenish bluish, or brownish? Who is the animal hiding from? Who do you think he is in What If He Saw Me? What If He Strikes? A snake, a bird, or a fox? What happens to the frog at the end of the poem? The poets didn't write the last word of the poem. They let the reader fill in the word. What is the last word of the poem? What rhyming words are there in the poem? Please take your time to answer all these questions, children, and we will be checking your answers tomorrow. And that ends our lesson for today. Thanks for watching, and be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. Stay healthy and stay safe always with your students. Bye-bye and God bless everyone.